Hi third graders, we are on lesson 139 today, making change. I'm videoing by myself, so anything could happen. Just keep watching, who knows. Okay, so we are going to talk today about how to figure out how much change someone should receive back when they go to the store and buy something and give the clerk a big amount, and then the clerk has to give them back money. Okay, so we are going to talk about a girl named Charity, and she is going to buy a space poster. Okay, her space poster costs $7.45. $7.45. But she has a $20 bill. So when she gives that $20 bill to the cashier, she definitely wants to get some money back, right? Because the poster is only $7.45. She's giving her $20. So the way you figure that out first is by subtracting. You take the $20 that Charity gave, subtract the $7.45 that the poster cost, and let's find out how much change she should get back. That's step one. Okay? So Charity gave a 20, and the poster was only $7.45. I love these because we get to do our borrowing thing. Of course, I gave myself no room because I didn't think about that till just now. So you're going to have to really squint to see my little numbers, right? So I can't do any borrowing until finally I get over to the 2. The 2 becomes a 1. This becomes a 10. Now he can lend to his neighbor. That becomes a 9. This becomes a 10. That becomes a 9. This becomes a 10. Hopefully you can see that. That's 10, 9, 9, and a 1. Okay, so now we're ready to subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. And 9 minus 4 is 5. So 55 cents. And then 9 minus 7 is 2. And 1 comes straight down. And so does my dollar sign. So she should get $12.55 back as her change. Okay, so now that we know that, we need to figure out what bills and what coins the cashier should give Charity. Okay, now, the person could give 12 $1 bills and 55 pennies. And that would be $12.55. But you're not supposed to do that unless you have no other options. The people that work in a store are trained to give you back the least amount of pieces of money that will still equal your change, $12.55. So let's look at, we have this chart. Okay, could the clerk give her back a 20? No, she only gets $12.55 back. She just gave a 20 and bought something, so no, she's not getting a 20 back. Could the clerk give her a 10? Remember, we're trying to get $12.55 for her change. Yeah, we would use a 10. So we have $10 right now. Could the clerk give her a 5? That would be a 10 plus 5, $15? No. So I'm going to put a 0 here and a 0 here. No 20s, no 5s. We're only at $10 so far. Okay, I'm trying to get $12.55. So how many ones should I use? 2. Wouldn't that be $12? A 10 and 2 ones? Yeah, that's $12. Okay, so we got the dollars down pat. Now we have to figure out 55 cents using the least amount of coins. Remember, Charity doesn't want the person to give her back 55 pennies. Okay? So quarters are the ones that are worth the most, so that's what we want to use the most of if we can. Okay, we're trying to get 55 cents. 1 quarter, that's 25. 2 quarters is 50. 3 quarters is 75, so that's too much, so let's back up. So 2 quarters, 50 cents. Okay, we're getting really close. Right now we're at $12.50. I only need $12.55. Can I use any dimes? I'm at 50 right now. No, that would be too much, so I can't use any dimes. Okay, $12.50. How many nickels do I want? Just 1. That would be $12.55, and I don't need any pennies. Okay, so I think you've done something similar to that. Nothing recently, though. So if you need to watch that again to kind of figure out what we were doing, that is making the correct change. Step 1, do a subtraction problem. The big amount, how much I gave her a 20. Subtract how much the poster cost or whatever the item is. That's your change. Now, what's the best way to give that back? All right, that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.